everybody, it's me, Blue. So the time change happened. Did you change your clocks? Well, I was changing my clocks. I was like, oh, it's already springtime, which means the school year is pretty close to being kind of over. And I know it's not over, but it makes me feel sad because I miss all my friends. But I'm still going to school, so it's fine. Did you notice my earrings? They're cute little foxes, aren't they cute? Little faces. Also, if you don't know, I'm redecorating my room, and leave some comments below if you want to see it once it's done. It's not done, like clothes are hanging from the ceiling, not done, no. Oh, okay, we need to get to this week's video. I just told you a bunch of random stuff that's happening in my life, but I know you can't get inside my head. But this week's video has nothing to do with spring, because spring made me think of summer, and then summer made me think of going to Texas, and going to Texas made me think of my dad, and going to my dad made me think about when we were outside at night, and at night outside looking at the stars, and the stars made me think of a galaxy. So today I'm going to show you how to make a glitter galaxy box purse. Let's get started. First, you'll need wax paper, glycerin, scissors, witch hazel. It's optional, but it'll keep your water clean. All different sorts of types of glitter. I'm using pink, purple, blue, and another blue. And some of it's fine and some of it's chunky. Food coloring, water, strong blue, a clear container, and you'll also need an iron. You'll also need one of those paper protectors that you can get at the office supply section of your store. Remember that video where I did the clear box purse and I showed you guys how to add the chain? So that's how you would add the chain. I'll leave a link so that you can watch it, but it's the exact same step, so I'm not going to explain it again. The first step is to measure the corners of your sheet protector on the lid of your box and cut. Now tear off 2 pieces of wax paper. Time for a safety warning! So, we are about to work with the iron. Irons are hot! Do not touch the metal part, please! The next thing is that you need to have an adult around just in case things go around. Say hi, adults. Hi. And also you need to be in a well-ventilated area so air can flow through. So the next thing you're going to do is get this piece of plastic you just cut out, sandwich it between 2 pieces of wax paper, and seal 3 sides with your iron. Your iron doesn't have to be super hot, just hot enough so that you melt the plastic, and make sure you have your window open. Give it a few minutes to cool. This is what it looks like. Now set that aside, and the next step is to add food coloring to your water. So I'm going to make purple. Now put a bunch of kinds and colors of galaxy glitter inside your pouch. Now add several drops of glycerin and 1 drop of witch hazel. Now just add a little bit of water. The next step is to seal the top with your iron. Make sure all the air is out before you seal it. The last step is to use your strong glue to glue your little glitter pouch inside your box. If you were going to add a chain or some string, now is the time. Now all you have to do is walk around looking fabulous, go to Texas and look at the stars, and that's it. If you like my video, do not forget to subscribe. And don't forget to watch all my other cool Glitter Girls videos, and don't forget to like. Bye!